Hello and welcome again to Mile High Custom Food Trucks here in Denver, Colorado. Here we have a donut trailer that is about to ship out. It's got twin propane tanks in the front as well as a 9500 watt, that is 7500 running watt generator out in front in its own a lockable cage. It also has an awning window on the side with a self-closing doors. Let's go inside and check it out. Before we do that, out in the front we also have a little port for shore power, LED lamps on the outside, and a little shelf for tip jar and saucers and so forth. Inside is a merchandiser refrigerator, 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink, and the gray water tank in this particular trailer is under the body to conserve some space. Plus we could have larger tanks this way. That is a freshwater tank. That is ANSUL Fire suppression, soap and towel dispensers, hand wash sink of course, little hot water heater. It's a proofing box. This is a donut trailer, so of course you have to proof your donuts. That's why we have a proofing box. 6-burner stove with an oven and a special dedicated donut fryer. Six-foot hood on top with the ANSUL fire suppression drops. It's got a barn door out in the back, LED lamps throughout, lots of extensions, and of course the service window. Out in front of the service window is a little table with an under shelf. If you have any questions or want to have another trailer like this one built or a food truck, get in touch with us here at Mile High Custom Food Trucks in Denver, Colorado. Our phone number is 720-209-2653 and we are open Monday to Saturday. Thank you and have a nice day.